The protesters that have gathered every week for the last 8 months outside Benjamin Netanyahu's residence had a new focal point on Monday, the Jerusalem District Court, a couple of hundred meters beyond the police barricades.
I would not think about the public security, safety, economics, because the only thing that would interest me is how to get out of jail. And this is why a person like that cannot stand in this position to be the Prime Minister.
The volume went up as the Prime Minister's convoy arrived. Netanyahu is accused of fraud and breach of trust in 2 cases. In a third, he also faces an additional charge of bribery. On the eve of his appearance, he issued a message to his supporters, calling the investigation and trial politically motivated, insisting the case was crumbling. The alleged offences range from soliciting and accepting lavish gifts from wealthy friends to offering assistance to media owners in return for favourable coverage. In court, he spoke only to confirm the written defence of his lawyers, in essence a not guilty plea, and to thank the court before leaving after sitting through just 20 minutes of legal argument. His lawyers continued in his absence to question the legality of the investigation, with the judges appearing to push back.
So with Benjamin Netanyahu's departure, for all the sound and fury out here, for all the legal argument inside the courtroom, one of the most important things that could emerge from today is the timetable, something much more prosaic, but could decide whether the evidentiary phase, the witness phase, during which there'll be all kinds of allegations put under oath, whether that comes before the Israeli election.
No decision was issued, but legal observers saw hints that the judges were in no hurry.
The judge said, well, how long will it take you to send some of these documents that the other side needs? And they said 3 weeks, and the judges pounced on it. It's 3 weeks, well, then they'll need another 3 weeks. So it looks to me, if I had to guess right now, that we'll see the witnesses start coming end of March, early April, which would be after the March 23rd election.
That would itself be a minor victory for the Prime Minister, allowing him to campaign outside of the direct shadow of a legal battle that is just one issue among many, dividing voters as they prepare to return to the polls for a 4th time in 2 years. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera, occupied East Jerusalem.